Topic: Automatic music generation. Outline: abstract of the project, problem statement, proposed solution, system architecture, conclusion, future scope. Abstract: automatic music generation refers to the use of algorithms, machine learning models, and artificial intelligence to create music with minimal human input. The system analyzes existing music data to learn patterns in melody, harmony, rhythms, and structure. Problem statement: the problem with automatic music generation lies in creating compositions that are both musically coherent and aesthetically appealing without human intervention. Purpose solution: the purpose solution involves developing a hybrid AI model that combines deep learning techniques such as recurrent neural network and transformer architectures with rule-based system to generate musically coherent composition. System architecture: the system architecture consists of three main components: a data pre-processing module, a music generation module, and a post-processing module. Conclusion: in conclusion, the purpose system for automatic music generation offers a promising approach to creating musically coherent and stylistically diverse compositions using AI. By combining deep learning with rule-based methods, the model can generate music that balances creativity and structure. Future scope: the future scope of automatic music generation includes expanding the model's ability to understand and replicate complex musical genres, blending diverse cultural styles seamlessly. Thank you.